Yes, I spoke at the Al-Auda Convention in Anaheim, and it is a Palestinian rights convention, the right of return. And I support that. I support that cause. This is another thing. Barack Obama went to Egypt and he gave a pretty speech. And he said, the only thing he said about the Israel-Palestinian thing was that Israel shouldn't expand into the West Bank. And I've just found out today that they are expanding into the West Bank. And they have been. But he doesn't say anything about the walls in the West Bank that keep people from their jobs and from their lands and from hospitals and medical attention. And he didn't go to Gaza. He went to I think it was Buchenwald, and talked about the horrible prison, Bergen-Belsen. I said that the other day, and someone said, no, it's Buchenwald. So he went to Bergen-Belsen, and he was talking about horrible concentration camps, but he didn't go to Gaza and talk about that horrible concentration camp. And I think any solution, if there is a solution, if people even want a solution, I know we do, I'm not so sure the Robert class wants a solution, that it has to include the right of return. It has to include the right of return.